Alright guys and girls, whoever is listening, welcome back. Let's do some update video for one of my favorite project and token out there in all the crazy crypto space. It's called Elephant Money. Now they have NFT coming up very soon. So this was mentioned on my video, on my AMA, around last week, 10 days ago. However, the news coming much faster and we have NFT coming probably in the next few days or maybe 1 week or 2 weeks time. Now, remember, nothing here in this video is financial advice. Do your research, okay? Don't put more money you can afford to lose, all right? I'm not your mama and papa. What's mean I'm not giving you any financial advice? Don't listen to me. Don't listen anybody. Don't listen your neighbors, your dogs, cats, wherever. Listen yourself, your money, your problems, your issues. Now, if you never watch any of my video where I'm doing donation and I'm helping the poor people in the India, Philippines and Africa, shame on you. Go and watch some of my video. It's called More You Give, More You Receive. I'm the only YouTuber in the crazy space where I'm helping the poor people using my crypto saving, and thank you for everybody who have been donating. Okay, now let's talk about the elephant in the room. It's called Elephant Money. Okay, so I did a great AMA with SK Crypto, thank you so much. And then go and watch that video if you want. Go and watch that AMA. It's called Part 1, explaining everything you need to know for the elephant token, Part 2 for the futures, and part 3 for the farms, trunk, stampede and trumpet. And after the AMA, the last AMA, part 3, I did a little bit bullish on trumpet. I'm very bullish for Elephant Money. I took my position, I'm happy. Futures, I'm still building up. This is paying 0.5% a day. Farms, I build up, I'm happy there, took my positions. Trunk and Stampede, I didn't play a lot there, but I'm going to play a little bit into Trumpet probably in the next few days time. However, now I'm excited for the NFT, what's coming. But before we go for the details, let me show you some stats. Do you know that, give me a second, where did it go? Elephant Money Treasury? No, I want to go here. Yes, right there. So this is the futures, okay, as I mentioned. Do you know that right here, where it's paying 0.5% a day, it's a very complex how it's working. Go and listen to my AMA so you can understand completely how it's working. Do you know that 2 days ago, somebody invested 400,000 BUSD? Again, one address invested, make 2 investments, 200,000 each, 400,000 BUSD. That is crazy. So this whale must know somebody what nobody knows. So that's mean he's not here for short time, he's here for a long run. All right, so if you can see on a Dune Analytics, all the daily deposits are crazy. Look, 55,000, withdraw 8,000. Next day 37,000 invest, withdraw 4,000. Next day 133,000 invested, withdraw 3,000. So there's so much more investments. Overall, we have total deposit $7 million, compound and all this stuff. So minimum is $200. If you want to compound, you must add again $200. However, I'm not here to talk about that futures. I just want to give you some updates. How is the token going? All right. By the way, it's called DeFi Sign. Okay, you can go and check them there. Also, it's a very nice website. I'm going to leave the link in the description. You have here the future right here, the Elephant Money. You can see it's just like a research tool, and they're still building up. So it's going to take a few days, couple of weeks, maybe less, probably a couple of days time. So you can go and press there, and you can get all the analytics what you need. Okay, so Elephant Money. How is the token going? All right, so check this out. Elephant Money at the moment, it's 0.178. Okay, so why this is the key? Why everybody are hyped for the Elephant token? I told you last time I sold 0.70%, not 0.70% of my Bitcoin, and I went here in. All right, because I become very bullish. Why? This is one of the reasons. Do you see these charts right here? All right, how it's blow up. So I think we are somewhere here before blow up to the sky. So sky is the limit. Now, not financial advice, only risk capital. Remember that. So why is this is crucial? Why you need to understand that? Okay, go and watch some of the AMA, but if you don't want to watch the AMA, this is what's everybody talking right here. This is right here. Let me just move my face. Let me just make my face much smaller. Okay, can you see right here? So this is called this way. Okay, so this is called it's called, I don't know, flippening or whatever you call. So this is where you're going to get a little cross there. You see this red one? The treasury going to be bigger than the LP pools. Okay, that's the beta. All right. So when this happen, okay, it's called shock, supply shock right here in this ecosystem. That's what they call. When that happened last time, we got these results. Okay, around 14x in around 40-50 days. So is this going to happen now? Again, everybody expect mathematically to happen the same. Now the question is, when will happen? Nobody knows except few people guessing. So first was around 7-8 weeks time, but now after that big deposit, things getting shorter and shorter, and after the NFT coming can bring the things much to the sky. What else I want to mention, all right, before we go to the NFT? Sorry, I'm keeping this video too long. If you go, I want to mention this thing to you, which is very important. If you go to the BSC scan and just press here BNB, all right, and go to the wrapped BNB, there we go. So that's the how many BNB on the BSC scan. Go to the holders, check this out. The 4 holders for all the BNB, and we know the BNB is the 3rd largest coin in the crypto space. It is elephant treasury, elephant LP, 61.4 thousand BNB in the treasury, okay, in the LP. Now 61.5 thousand, not 6100, 61,000. This is on number 4. The first 3 spots, I'm not sure who they are, but probably there are some exchanges. All right, I don't think somebody can hold them. I guess Binance Chain or whoever, maybe CZ, I don't know. So just imagine there will be NFT sales. One NFT will be 1 BNB. There will be 10,000 for sale. If they're all sold, what I'm assuming will be, I will get 1 or 2 definitely. This will be grow up for 10 more thousand. So I believe in the next, once the NFT are sold in the next, I don't know, wherever it's come up, 1-2 weeks time, I believe this number will go to number 3, and that's easy to cross to number 2. So I believe elephant token right there, elephant 3, whatever it's called, this is our guy. This is going to go to number 3, where it's going to take a lot of tension from CZ probably, and number 2 in the near future. When? I don't know, I don't have the crystal ball, but I don't be surprised if this happen before Christmas time in the next couple of months, maybe early, I don't know. So just imagine, after Christmas this go to number 1. Just imagine what will happen. CZ will say, hey, who the heck are they? Who the heck are these guys? You know, let me do some interview. So, and we know after that what can happen. I'm just assuming. You never know. Probably will get a lot of attention. What do you think will happen when this price skyrocket and we are in the place now? What we are, rank what, 2,000-3,000? I don't even know rank here. What do you think is when this elephant money is going to go to the first 100 on the first page, and then the first 70, first 50? It's just crazy. All right, stop talking about elephant money. I'm just bullish. Sorry. Let's talk about for the, where is that? It's a great article, by the way. I pinched this picture, and I thank you for the Cryptozoa who did the article. So check this out. So this is article for the NFT. Again, sorry about the video, just watching 1.5 speed. So I'm just reading this guy, it's not mine. So I'm just borrowing his Medium article. So he says, all right, so well, I didn't know what bank teller was cooking up, but now I did find out what he's cooking up with the NFT. Now, in his words, he took his time with this one. He let the tokenomics flow through him. Now, when the alpha finally indeed a few days ago, it became clear that we are about to have another masterpiece in our hands. So that's the good stuff. That's why I like this guy. This bank teller, probably will get him for AMA sometime in the future. He is creating something to last. He's not creating something to be here and die, okay? So he's creating something to last, to make something unique. Okay, so this is the scoop of the NFT, how it's going to work. Okay, now they will be releasing batches of 10,000 NFTs. One NFT will be one BNB. The second batch, the price will double. The third batch, the price will triple. Okay, so first will be one BNB. I will do my best to buy 2, maybe 3. Definitely I'll buy 2, just for any case. You never know. I don't expect you make money here overnight, but I think in the long run, this can be very profitable. Now, do you remember the Bertha thing and all this stuff? The treasury was growing up like crazy. Well, we're going to exchange 1% for the NFT holders will be from the Bertha treasury, and that's only going up at the moment, and I hope to going up much more in the near future. Now, check this out. Anybody can buy the amount they want, no wallet or quantity restriction or anytime. Probably this will be on Binance Chain. Probably there will be also talk to have in-house marketplace where the people can trade their NFTs with a good exit option for the people who want to liquidate their holding. There will be things get exciting. If we're assuming the first 10,000 will be sell out in short order, what I think will be in, I don't know, a few days, couple of weeks time, this 10,000 BNB revenue will go straight to Bertha. Okay, and this is the thing where I told you 10,000 BNB can go right here. By then this can be 64, 65,000. When they're sold, there will be 74,000. Boom, we are number 3. All right, simple as that. Is it can be sold? Yes. And this guys mentioned that that yesterday somebody plunks 400,000. So because this Medium article is right down, I think is posted 2 days ago. Now, there we go. So the investment of 400,000, okay, of the BUSD into futures, the treasury went to over 500,000. What was a beautiful thing, the effect of this price was instant and still ongoing as he's writing this text. So it helped push the BNB holding in LP over 60,000. As I mentioned earlier today, if you go the LP 61 400,000. All right, I can only imagine what will happen with the infusion of almost 6 more times more than that amount. That's he's talking about NFT sales. Now, many saying that this will be finally to push into flippening. That's the flippening is the thing what I mentioned right here. All right, where is that? Give me a second. Right there. This is the flippening right there. When I mentioned earlier on this video. Okay, it's called the shocking supply. What we all waiting patiently for weeks. I've been waiting weeks. Some people waiting months and years. Now, can there we go. Yes. So only time will tell. The only thing is one sure, I'm getting one of these 10,000 NFT. Well, for me, I probably will get 2 of them. Bank Teller, that's the main guy, himself said every herd member should have at least 1 NFT. Can Bertha handle it? Some have asked the question, is this going to put more pressure for Bertha? The answer is no, and this is why. The way of Bank Teller has designed is all holders will share 1% APR on the ever expanding Elephant treasury paying out in Elephant token. All right, so this guy is very optimistic, and he thinks it will be very successful addition to the Elephant money ecosystem. All right, so that's about it. I will leave the link from this one in the description. If you want to join, by the way, make sure you use my link at the video becoming too long. Make sure you use my link, my referral link, and you upgrade right here where it says partner network. All right, so just go there and update right here, update your partner with my address. Will be very beneficial for me and the donation I'm doing. Again, thank you so much everybody for watching, subscribing. This is another Elephant money video. Let me know if you are pumped for the NFT. Are you going to get one or not? Did you invest in Elephant money or not? Are you planning to get in or not? Or you think it's not for you? All right, thank you so much. Have a lovely day wherever you are. God bless, stay positive, stay tuned. See you the next one.